Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn about the rules and facts of subtraction. Rules and facts of subtraction. These rules and facts already last day in class 3 you have learned. So now I will not go that much explanation, just I will give you since you have learned already. Okay, so the first rule is subtracting 0. Suppose if any number is there, suppose here 10 is there, from 10 you are subtracting 0. So if you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number as the answer. Any amount of number, if it is a bigger number, 5748. So from here if you minus 0, you will get the same number as the answer. Okay, so you remember that if you minus 0 from any number, you will get the same number as the answer. Okay, so this is the first rule. Again, subtracting 1. The second rule is subtracting 1. This also I think already I taught you. So once again I will tell you. Suppose if the number, let me take a small number 4, from 4 if you minus 1, 4 minus 1, the answer is 3. Now if you see the minuend and the answer, if you see that from which number you are subtracting 1 and that answer, if you see 3 is just before 4, 3 is just before 4. So what do we say? This is, we say predecessor. The before number is called the predecessor. So if you minus 1 from any number, you get the predecessor of the number. So suppose 100 is there. So from 100, if you minus 1, you will get 99. 99 is the predecessor of 100. Okay, remember that if you minus 1 from any number, you get the predecessor of the given number. Okay, then the next rule is subtracting the number itself. Subtracting the number itself. Suppose 15 is there. From 15, if you minus 15, you will get the answer 0. And if the number is 27, from 27, if you minus 27, the answer is 0. So if you minus any number from itself, you get the answer 0. See here, if you minus 0 from any number, you get the number itself is the answer. But here, if you minus a number from itself means from the same number. The number is given, from that number you are minusing the same number. So if you minus the same number, you will get the answer is 0. So if you subtract, you will 0. So this both are little bit coincide, but here the number you will get it as the answer, but here 0 you will get it as an answer. Okay, so these are the 3 rules. Again, still some more rules are there. These are the main 3 rules already have learned last year. Next we learn the order of numbers. Order of numbers in subtraction. Already I told, suppose if you are minusing from 10, you are minusing 5, you get 5 is the answer, and this number is called minuend. Already I have this video already I have given subtraction lesson in the beginning. So this is the minuend, the bigger number is the minuend and the smaller number is the subtrahend. and the answer is called the difference. So on the top is a big number and down is the small number. So this should be the order. So you can minus from the big number, you can minus a smaller number. Okay, so this must be the order. So the big number must be first, small number should be the second. This must be the order. You cannot write, suppose if it is a 7, from 7 you cannot write minus 10. This is a big number, this is a small number, so you cannot write. This is wrong order. So the correct order is big number first, small number second. This is the way only you can write. This is the order of the numbers in subtraction. Next we are going to learn subtracting 10, 100 and 1000 from the number. This already you have learned in addition also. Subtracting 10, 100 and 1000. How adding 10, 100, 1000. It is the same rule. In adding you have done that. Suppose if the number is 493. From here you have to add 10 means. So what I told, this is 10. So you have to add 1 to the number in the tens place. So here in tens place 9 is there. With this you will add 1. So 9 plus 1 it will be 10. So 0, that 1 you will carry here. So 4 plus 1 5. And this 3 will be in 1's place. So since it is 9, it is like this. I will give another example. Suppose if it is 174. With this you have to add 100. So 100, this is you are adding 100. So in 100's place you have to add 1. So here in 100's place 1 is there. So with this you will add 1. So 1 plus 1 it will be 2. So remaining other digits will remain the same. So you have learned already in 10, if it is adding 10, in 10's place you are adding 1. If it is adding 100 means in 100's place you add 1. If it is adding 1000 means in 1000's place you will add 1. It is the same rule only here. Here addition, so you are adding. Here subtraction, so you will subtract. So I will give an example. Now subtracting 10. Now if the number is 2847. So from here you have to minus 10. So to minus 10 I told. It is, since you are minusing 10, in 10's place you have to minus 1. So here 10's place, which number is there? This is 1, so this is 10. So in 10's place 4 is there. From here you have to minus 1. So 4 minus 1 you will get 3. So remaining all will remain the same. So this 2, 8, this 1000's place, 100's place will remain the same. Only in 10's place you are minusing 1. Only this will change, but the other thing will remain the same. So this will be 2837. This is the answer. Okay, so now with the same number, let's have another example for 100. Subtracting 100. To subtract 100 you have to, this is, since you are subtracting 100, in 100's place you have to minus 1. So in 100's place 1's, 10's, 100's place 8 is there. So from 8 you have to minus 1. If you minus 1 you will get 7. So the answer will be, other thing will be remain the same. So 2, only this 8 will change into 7. 7, 4, 7. This will remain the same. Now subtracting 1000. Same number I am giving example. From here you are subtracting 1000. So to subtract 1000, you have to minus 1 in 1000's place. So here in 1000's place, which number is there? 1's, 10's, 100's, 1000. 1000's place, here 2 is there. So from 2 you will minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So only this will change, all other digits will remain the same. So 1, 8, 4, 7. This is the answer. So remember here, to subtract 10, in the number which is in 10's place, there you minus 1. Remaining digits you write the same. Again, to minus 100, in 100's place you minus 1 and remaining digits you write as it is. And to subtract 1000, only in 1000's place you minus 1, remaining digits you write as it is. Next is the subtraction facts. Suppose, let me take, for addition you can write the subtraction fact. So let me write one addition here. 3 plus 4, 7. So this is the addition. So for this addition we can write two subtraction facts. So this, you think this one how you can write in minus. So to write minus, you have to write the bigger number first. So in the here, which is the bigger number, biggest number is 7. 3 and 4 is smaller, 7 is the bigger number. So 7 you write first. Again, it is a subtraction fact, so write minus. Again, in this two small number, any one you write. So 3 I am writing. So 7 minus 3 will get 4. So we are getting the other number. Only these three numbers will be changing and coming, and this sign will become minus. Again, another fact. This is the first fact. To get the another fact, second fact, here also you have to subtraction always the bigger number first. So here the bigger number is 7. So now you have to write the smaller number here. So already we wrote 3 here. So let's write another smaller number 4 here. So 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, if you minus, you will get 3. So these three numbers only will change and come. So I will give another now with the 3 digits. If you minus, sorry, here you have to add. Okay, this is the addition. So for this we have to write the subtraction facts. So already I told, in this you have to write the bigger number, biggest number. So here the biggest number is 891. So that you write first. So again the subtraction facts. So you write minus. Again here these two are the smaller numbers. So any one number you can write. So first this number is there. So I am writing that number here. So the answer will be, you don't need to calculate. So remaining, what is remaining here? This is the remaining. So that you write after the equal sign. Okay, now to write the next fact. This is the first fact. Next fact, you are beginning with a bigger number. So the bigger number is 891. So this only will come always. Again, it is a subtraction facts minus. So first you wrote this number. So now you write this number 270. So now what is remaining? You wrote this 2. Now this is remaining. So that you write after the equal sign. So this is the way we write the subtraction facts. So this is easy. You don't need to calculate. Write the bigger number first, and any one of the smaller number you write. And what is left without writing in the smaller number, that you write after the equal sign. This is the way you write the subtraction facts. So for all this addition, for each addition there are 2 subtraction facts. That also you must remember. So there are 2 subtraction facts for, there are 2 subtraction facts for each addition. So this I may ask in the fill in the blanks or choose the best answer. You must know how many facts are there. There are 2 subtraction facts. Thank you.